Cluster evaluation method of building decoration cost rationality based on BIM model. In view of low efficiency of traditional cost rationality evaluation methods, this paper designs a cluster evaluation method for building decoration cost rationality based on BIM model. BIM model is used to collect the data of architectural decoration, and the reasonable threshold interval is set. Then the decoration data and threshold parameter are clustered to complete the construction of evaluation method. After setting the classical domain of quantitative indicators, we prepare the evaluation data set for the experiment and call to traditional evaluation method and evaluation method designed in this paper to carry out the experiment. The results show that the evaluation method designed in this paper is more efficient. The rapid growth of the market is bounded to attractive, fierce competition from enterprises. The core of the competition is how to maximize the profit. How to maximize the profit is the current stage of the construction decoration enterprises facing the need to urgently solve the key problem. The background in the some environment, in addition to the combination of market demand changes to adapt to the product development, in the process of implementation of process construction within enterprise can guarantee under the permits of construction schedule, quality, cost of the project's development have enough attention to control the cost in the reasonable manner, with lowest cost realize all benefits and the social benefits as much as possible. Then the enterprise can grasp the initiative of market competition more and realize the survival and development. The combination of architectural decoration has a complete periodicity. First of all, investment stage, how to grasp the accuracy of investment directly determination, the profit and the loss of the later project. In the design stage, many changes and clients in the later stage. In the building stage, the fast quotient of the constructor will also lead to the difficulty of real estate cost control. In the process of construction, how to combine with the actual situation of construction reasonable preparation of cost scheme will also affect the final profit to the greater extension. Using BIM model to collect building decoration data. When using BIM model to collecting architectural decoration data during the whole construction cycle of the project, different stages of work are completed by different participation and different of the objectives and interest of each participant will produce different types of cost management method. At this time, to honor who is the leading position of a project management is particularly important to the management of the overall project cost. The owner's project cost management runs through the whole process of the project, including investment, design, and decision making stage, design stage, building stage, implementation stage, and completion stage. Under the control of BIM model, the data controlled model formed is shown as Figure 1. After using BIM model to collect the data with setting reasonable threshold interval, the method divides the time series into equal length segment and uses the average value of data points in the segment to represent the time series. The longer each segment is divided, the larger and the dimension reduction will not be obvious. In order to further retain the key information of the time series, it is sorted into a standard series. Simulation environment. The following environments are designed to verify the effectiveness of the cluster evaluation method of building decoration cost rational based on BIM model. According to the arrangement of FHC decoration complementation assessment data combined with the evaluation and weight assignment of each indexed and classical domain of each index can be obtained by calculating each single indexed. This paper analyzes and studied the rationality of architectural decoration cost and qualitatively deals with the classical domain of quantitative index of architectural decoration cost. The classical dimension is shown as Table 3. Under the quantitative and qualitative indicators set in the above table, after defining the classical domain, we can obtain the section domain of building decorations, cost, evaluation matter element, and I'll reorganize it into the evaluation data sets as shown in Table 4. Using the experimental data set shown in Table 4, prepare 2 traditional evaluation methods and the evaluation method design in this paper for experiments, and compare the performance of the 3 evaluation methods. Through the analysis of a BIM model of the current situation of project cost management, it can be found that the owner's evaluation of a project's cost management abilities stays on imprecise and lacks systematic and scientific methods. Therefore, this paper constructs the construction cost cluster evaluation method, which can evaluate the traditional of the constructor decorations cost, evaluate the maturity of the cost management in each stage, and finally get the maturity level of the project cost management and improve its potential so as to provide a more scientific evaluation method for the construction decoration cost. The current construction project cost prediction model has problems such as complex modeling and ignoring regional differences. The construction cost per unit area used to cluster the residential construction projects in 3 areas, and the 3 areas are divided into 4 categories. And the next step of the research direction can be to add the areas category as a influencing factor to the linear regression model and obtain the prediction model of the residential building project cost through principal component regression analysis. Thank you.